with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Blessed day to you, my YouTube fam. It's another beautiful day. Yeah, nobody watch the ear on us, so nobody watch that. Judging Debbie. Yeah, I couldn't have said it better. Yeah, right I know you're none of my priority. Health is my priority. So I am here. It's a beautiful day. I'm on the outside, of course, and you got here all kind of vehicle. Early morning, work time, people are get ready. Vehicle and lens sitting there about that street. Yeah, cause guess what? Me there, so wanna hear one of my dog them? Yeah. So yes, I am saying blessed day. That trailer they did too much. It did too loud. So I am here. It's another day. I'm giving thanks and I hope that you are too. Yesterday, I never feel so hot. Honestly, I wasn't feeling pain or anything, but the vibes, God, I'm not gonna stop here. That some of them vehicles I don't even know. Why no? But anyhow, it's the realest thing out. So wasn't just feeling myself. I don't know if it was the Monday blues, menopausal blues. I don't know what. But guess what? My brain, the brain never in it yesterday. Some little things, Like challenges have been happening from but we are get through them out. We are pray and stuff. But I don't think it's the challenges though, because I really was doing good like Sunday and stuff, but I wasn't in pain. But there are days like that, and when you feel so, don't stress out yourself. I just didn't stress out myself. I just sat outside. Was really hot too. I mostly stayed inside, even though out the place hot, inside was a little better. Outside was so hot, so I did stay inside most of the time. So I got my little sleep. Wake up this morning, start anew. It's another beautiful day. Yesterday was a beautiful day. It's just that I wasn't in at that vim and vigor and all of that. So, you know it go. We made it through, and we gotta make it through. Yeah. So, little before I started this vlog, one of my sisters sent me something, say, I show me blood pressure reading, and some of them something that when it high, wait for me, when it very high, or when it just regular eye. Somebody say, I acknowledge it and say to her, say, you know what, honey? Them the reading there, we not go get them. I turn we not eat. There too much things to mess with my brain. So all we have to do is try keep it minimal. Just try keep it minimal. Make it get too high. But first time we could have maintained them. With them a bad food where we are name no all of them same thing. And so it hard to maintain. So all you have to do when you see it get a little high, just don't worry yourself. If you have medication, I take it, take it. If you have a sick nurse, you take it. But I can tell you, in spite of the medication we take, if you don't sick yourself and don't be like all the stress, the medication alone can't keep it low. You have to just, just humble and just chill out. The medication alone cannot keep it low. You have got to chill. Yeah. So anyway, my out has so, and Dad then go St. Mary over the weekend. We never go. God St. Mary a couple times. Will them go. I think me go 1 or 2 times. Just didn't take out any camera. But just never video nothing. We never cook no food now. Them must cook Sunday. I don't know. Them no video nothing. Because guess what? We are trying to get both in our house, So tile, we are tile here now. So I don't soon see it. Them also tell us when it reach at a reasonable part, I'm going to show you it. So them go do tile in all and something that me never go. So I don't soon see the St. Mary vlog them come back, man. So I get a banana here, I take out some and cook yesterday morning. I put up my shot and I got some whole heap of dry coconut. So I am gonna show you. The time is so up, I know I'm banana them ripe up. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with them. And also I'm gonna make straight banana pie this morning too. So just stick around. Because I don't know another real day with me in JA and all of that. So just hold the faith and just, may I tell you, just hold the faith. Hold the faith. That's all I can tell you. And pray. Pray. Hold the faith. Humble. Easy yourself. But I stressed out myself yesterday. I have things I'm planning to do, but I just wasn't in the mood and I just didn't push it. Because guess what? Me don't know. Me not do that hobby or something there, So me not own a hobby, man. No, me not do the hobby business. So me not own none. So I just chill. But I catch you around in the next clip. Yeah. So you see, so then go a country, me never go. A country mango them there, you see the number for the ear, then they come from country. Country mango them, the town mango them no look so. Yeah, I see I have few coconut and I have one shy of a dozen dry coconut. So on the Jamaican Debbie train, I'll be making a video for you. I may have my green banana right there, so what may I go to right now? I take off about half and I take off and make cook banana is the answer. I want some straight banana porridge this morning, so girl, I'm gonna make some banana porridge. No, if you do the beating one or do the blending one?
Blending?
You never you never drink the beaten one yet.
You think that just one.
So nothing wrong with it.
Lumpy.
The lumpy you never get it in that country. Hey, family, daddy not come from the country, man. The man not come from the country. I fake him a fake, but him come from St. Elizabeth. No, not about country, so. Anyway, nice eating banana then soft and nice. Somebody comment and say the banana them look soft. I think I said Vita then soft for real. You know nothing about banana. So guess what? Time is so hot, so girl I go hand them up now. I go wash them off. I'm going to show you how I package them and put them in the fridge for them serve. You know, because the banana them, the other day when they come down with that whole they come down with that whole lot the other day, but we didn't go market with them there. We sold those. It was a lot, so we sold those. So I never did have none left pack for myself. So this is it now. So me a two countrymen come I go wash them off first in my fridge. I go bounce a number but not right about now. So look here. I'm gonna get my bananas and up and I'm gonna wash them off and come back. I'm gonna break up my coconut them to dig them out and refrigerate them. I take me sure that's that me do already. Can't afford to make them stay and spoil because I think about dad say about this and two more I must say native. So we might use them if we do the video. Coconut oil video. So you can stay tuned for that. I'm not sure when I can say when. Debbie Deb's train, we are going to drop the video the pan. So I go and up my banana now. So if you let them stay like this and we just crack on the water, drain out because the time is so hot, and then you coconut no good. So this is a little thing, but guess what? Girl I go do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make more one something there. And then when we swap one, see? Man, I tell me about me if you hand them up, because me hand them up better than you. You know, so you're going to really lose the banana business work. You're going to lose both the banana work and other work too, you know. That me I tell you. Maybe it's not your friend them in the comment section want to say, you know. But you're going to lose the work. That me I tell you. Yeah, turn it down, make the stain drain out after it. So what I do? I do them, I put them in the dirt. Yeah. And the dirt damp because we get to rain. We could join last night, nothing much. But it was good because this morning when an early party, they cool down because last night I sweat. Oh Lord. So when you do it like that now, stain run out tight. So I make it stay there a couple hours. I make the stain run out tight. Then I am gonna wash them, break them up in smaller, like each one in a two, bag it and put it down into the refrigerator. We have banana for months. I don't know how much. Yeah. Alrighty. Alrighty. You know about them thing, yeah, my mother used ripen a banana and boiling a coconut right she used and raised we. She never have no other way out as a little country lady. And I think she did a pretty good job with so much bikini. Would not come to nothing, not for her fault. She tried. Next clip. So me I go drink like what is something the name? Single Bible and with the me use the citrus juice when I have orange, but actually I don't have orange now. So it's strong, you know, so it's strong. You see it catch pan this up? Yeah. Yeah, like this me I go drink. So the part now we mix me I show them how me I drink my bitters, but you know show them how you drink your what is something here wash out. Him always make this to me and me always make him bitters. I want to go on. Not him bitters in wash out. Dad not drink no bitters. I wash out. He only when wash out time in take wash out. Them I don't want the lump them in there in my salmon.
Yeah man, you lump will beat out.
Yeah. So rinse the lime. I never did rinse them yet. No. So the man leave and sitting. So back on to dead. This is my, may I drink this a cherry man. Yep. Somebody take 1 week off. What are something name? What's that thing? Rice bitters. I'm afraid of this, you know, it can't look away, but boy, the rice bitters, it dangerous. Dangerous. But just now get something wrong. Why am I not angling the thing right? This is the sound that this one makes. You hear that? Wow, I love these kettles. A chocolate, hey, Chucky kettle. Chuck kettle, you're more Chucky. Oh, this is beautiful. I can't remember the sound I make. But just say, make me fun. But I'm going to say, comment and tell me if you like this. It doesn't whistle, it makes this sound. Yes, I never get bad. I make no tea. It all take a little time and something. So, you know, so some mornings I wake up, I just make like plain hot water, and that's good for you. Yeah. So, but at this point, I want to take this opportunity to say thanks to all my realest people, real people that watches these little Debbie's Jamaican family vlog with me, who comment, who give me them, you know, real feedback. I honestly feel it. I want this right here, so. You know, whatever. I just want to say thank you. You don't know how much it means to me. You know, especially I know the ladies my age, they watch. A few men watch too. I just want to say thank you. Thank you all so much. And because most of the times when I talk and share thoughts, people know where I'm coming from. They know the journey. They've been there, been that journey, go through that journey. Some people still are. You know, someone can connect with me. And I just want to say thank you. I cannot sip to more sip of the local play, not what sound and nourishment and not really cute in our mouth, the taste. But I use it for, like, you know, just before I put on the porridge. So this is what is happening. So porridge there finish, I turn it off, it cool up, I sweeten it. When you see me next, I go have my bowl and I go and bounce it out, yes, so because okay, morning is cool and nice. You see me not even about no look sweat yet. Yes, ma. I come out of the kitchen in there, so when you hold up it, then they make me sweat like I'm in a nowhere. But I catch you around in the next clip. Porridge is ready with my little lump in there and my little maize. I'm going to have the nice little something there. Yeah, porridge ready. I'm going to show some for the boss man. Yeah. So porridge is ready. So, oh Lord, this I fit dad. And then you never get a big bowl too. Next clip. I am taking mine. I'm gonna put it in another pot. Yeah. So porridge is served. So next clip. Okay, now family. So breakfast is over, and we are going to be like we're gonna wash your little banana. Then we wash them off, you know, nice and something. Should I do them yesterday, but whenever they get through, as I tell you. So put them up yesterday. So we put them on the sponge up there. Not for long no, just to drip off. When I make the sun scratch them up or something. So we break them off in small pieces. Just like how you go to the supermarket and get it and see it break off. Remember them sell it by the pound in the supermarket and you can't get one whole hand like that. They break each hand. All the one they can break in a two again in a day. Yes, that's how we do it. We want right. So we can get it right. That's how we do it. And put them up there. Just to let the water drip off them. And then we have banana to serve with for a little time. You can do this too with yours. Even if they're going to put them to ripe. If you're somebody who ever work at the banana place, the banana plant, and have any experience, they wash them before they put them they wash them and let them dry before they pack them for ripe and something. So this is it. It's what we're doing. So we're going to have banana for a pretty good amount of weeks. I don't think no more up there right now. We're ready for eat yet, D?
No, not sure.
Maybe not. Because look, rain a fall up there and something. Or you see it rubbing and Uncle Murphy car come around. Whenever they put nothing for cushion it. So that's actually what we are doing. So we'll leave them there for drip off. Them not for fully draining because the sun is really hot. So we're not keep them in the sun for long. So in the next clip, I'll show you how I bag them. Okay, so Dad is putting them in there now, but him have him look a knife in him and cut off that now. Not in there, so cut off. So if like all that now, you see him and nip it off. We don't want it too much in there, so depends on how him break them, you know. Dad, you're not doing good. You know, you lose the banana work, man. Oh, you lose so much, brother. Yeah. You think that can hold 3?
Yeah.
So this is how we do it. We put them in bags and then we put them down. You know the part in your refrigerator where we put our food. We are Jamaican and Caribbean people. So this is what it looks like. So he's gonna do all of that now, and then when we're through, we give it a little knot though, you know. On to coconuts now. So that I break them. Him take pride in them something there, you know. Family, we are moving out of the sun to in out, so not into the sun. So I strain off the coconut water and I put it in another bottle there. Him break him children, them especially in daughter. Malays do that when he get an excess amount of coconut. If I even 1 or 2 coconut, him break it, and when she's small, him break her like that. So mind your hand, you know, brother. I'm going to break them coconut, you know. Carefully now. So the water in another one there.
Which one?
The one, yeah.
Let me throw the water out.
I first want that. Oh. Oh yeah, throw down the thing, they wanna turn up that can be dangerous, you know. Yeah, but my step on gun. You gotta be careful. They are bone dry now, but they are not native, you see them? They married, they never have been much water.
Good oil coconut.
Yeah. Not no whole heap of water. I don't know about it. So guys, I'm gonna get all, not guys, why am I talking about this, guys? He's gonna get all this water out of these. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8, and we have 3 more we look like native, where we're gonna use them to make a video for you on the Jamaican Deb strain. So that's what he's doing right now. I think you should just crack all of them, drain out the water, and then after me we pull them out of the shell. Yeah, just crack, yeah man. Crack and drain out the water and put them. Move faster. That do it different in a farm. I mean, I use the sharpening part of the machete. I use the back part. That's how I see the growth, see my people and do. Yeah. Look on it before you throw it out in the air. Because sometimes some of them spoil and you go throw it in there and you lose all of the water. So if it look a little weird, you try to taste it before you throw it out. And you ain't taste it and not throw because I'm that and him go drink it, okay? Yes, I'm almost done now. So we keep the coconut shells. Me keep them. But actually, I'm not sure, you know, so nobody hold me to it. Me used to see this lady, bigger elder lady, when I did them amongst when me a young girl. You know, in my teenage years. She always, when she go market and buy coconut, she always keep the shell in a bag, tie it up. And I keep it in a bag on the outside, and when she ready, she wash them off and boil them till then come red. And she say it good for high blood pressure. She never take, she'd trouble with high blood pressure, and she never really take medication. So tell me if you ever hear about that. Comment and tell me if you ever hear about the dry coconut shell, boil and drink for high blood pressure. Mr. She boil it and drink it. I mean, I see do or nothing. I mean, know when Mrs. She boil it and drink it, it makes you sweat. So I guess it's like pull out the water. When she drink it, she sweat a whole lot. So I tell myself, say, me I go boil it and try it one day, and you know. I think me do it already, you know, me don't remember, you know. But comment and tell me if you ever hear about it. I don't know, but I run go boil it and drink, you know, and go carry down the pressure and go say I'm telling you, I'm telling you that I saw she did it. I'm not giving it as a remedy because I don't know me, I'm not a doctor. But I'm gonna boil it one day in a video and try to drink it. I'm gonna Google it first too and see what they say it's good for. So I don't know if anybody know about that, but if you ever hear about it, the coconut shell, you scrape off all the ear and wash it properly. scrub it off with a little oil brush and put it for boil. When it boil, it started dark, almost look like a soursop leaf. So that's it. So guys, so I use this with a funnel, tap the funnel underneath, and then this are this, you know, so the water good to go. So this is what we got, natural coconut water. Yeah, you see it, the amount let me get. So we put in the refrigerator to make it chill. Yep. And then that they start go and dig out, and me I go wash off, and maybe I cut up some. Maybe we just freeze them. You see me do that already. Me show it to you already. So we are gonna have coconut right here, so now for serve with a good time. Alright.